you giving birth to a child?
Epic face, epic face, epic face.
Cheese in the bag.
You're cutting their heads off.
They don't need heads.
Oh, okay.
See, she agrees with me. That's why she looked this way.
Of course.
See, it's funny because neither of them have upper body strength.
Go for the kill!
Headshot. 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 Boom. Headshot.
No, wait, that's not fair. Okay, are you ready? You have one arm too. I do? Yeah, I hit your arm. Which one? Yeah, I don't know. Crap, I'm right-handed. This is not good.
Other arm!
I'm dead.
That's going on Tumblr.